This video is a comparison between the pull-through and a competitor's seemingly similar product. The pull-through has a patented, unique, circular wiper that provides a complete 360-degree seal when engaged in the lumen. Because of its superior sealing capability, the pull-through will clean the lumen thoroughly in a single pass, even in this demonstration when we are using thick, corn syrup-based theatrical blood. The other cleaner in this comparison has segmented wipers that cannot form a complete seal. The other product just spreads the contamination around, even with multiple passes. It simply cannot match the single pass efficiency of the pull-through and leaves a lot of residual contamination. The pull-through seal is so effective it draws the cleaning solution even against gravity, flushing the lumen as it passes. This is a huge advantage and will clean stubborn contamination even from damaged lumens. The other cleaner does not form a seal, so it cannot draw the solution no matter how quickly it is engaged. The pull-through has the clear advantage: quicker, simpler and more effective in a single pass than any other cleaner.